Pani is different.
It happens glaucoma.
Kala pani is glaucoma. So these are the names for cataract. Now before talking about the cataract, we should know exactly what is cataract and which part of the eye it comes. Now before talking about the cataract, I would like to tell you about the anatomy of the eye so that you will come to know where this is situated. So if you take this section of the eye, this is a sagittal section of the eye where this part from here to here,
Cornea.
this is cornea. This is known as cornea. Hello sir. Cornea, that is a black part you are seeing in the center, round. That is a cornea. Actually this is a transparent layer. Whatever you are seeing, you will say that it is black, but you are saying transparent. It is not black because whatever you are seeing is this structure. If it is brown, you will see brown. If it is black, you will see black. So this is a transparent structure. Behind cornea, this is known as iris.
Iris.
This is cornea. This is iris. This is a lens. Lens. Behind the lens, again a liquid is there, jelly type of structure is there. That is known as a vitreous. And the white part, whatever we are seeing, this is a white area, whole white area. We are seeing only a part of the white area, that is a sclera. Other part is behind, so you can't see.
There is sclera and then that conjunctiva.
Now the one more transparent layer is there, that is a conjunctiva, which is above the sclera.
Okay.
Like that. Up to the cornea, that comes only up to the cornea. And the lids are there.
So the one
Lids are
actually-
there.
The one which you are seeing is the conjunctiva. Beneath it is the sclera.
Yeah, on the white area.
The white area which you are seeing is the
First is
conjunctiva.
conjunctiva, superficial is conjunctiva, behind is sclera.
Sclera.
Where is macula? That is in the retina. So now, conjunctiva, whichever you are seeing, so it comes on the sclera. And then again it turns back on the lid. Lid, lids, upper lid, lower lid. So again it goes like that and then again covers the inner part of the lid. So that is a conjunctiva. Okay, and the eyelashes. This you have understood, right?
Yeah.
Now here we are talking about the cataract. The structure which is involved is a lens. The lens is a transparent structure. It's a biconvex. You can see it's a biconvex. And it doesn't have vessels, blood vessels are not there, no nerves also. No nerves, no blood vessels. And that is the reason it is transparent. This is a God-made lens which is transparent, biconvex. The function of this lens is the image which is formed. You are supposed that is focused on the retina, like that. So it converges the rays of light because it is biconvex. So once it converges the rays of light, the rays are focused on the retina and the patient will see. Okay. Similarly, one more function in this is a distance. The parallel rays which are coming, that means the whatever things are there, that is at distance. Suppose the patient wants to look at near. So the near things is suppose here. So from near, the rays of light will be divergent So once the rays are divergent, it comes on the lens like that, and naturally these rays will focus behind. But it will not focus behind because the lens will become
Flat.
more convex.
Convex.
It will become more convex. The radius of curvature of the lens increases so that the rays of light will focus on the retina. So this is a function of your lens. Now we would like to talk about what is a cataract. Now this transparent lens which is there, when it becomes opaque, that is a cataract. Okay? That is a cataract. Now we should know the causes of cataract and the types of cataract. The causes of cataract and the types of cataract. So, causes of cataract, one is a congenital cataract. The child is born with the cataract, that is congenital, and acquired, that means afterwards.
In case of congenital, at what age would you like the child to be operated?
Congenital cataract, I'll talk to you regarding this. That's a good question. Acquired may, again, trauma also can lead to cataract. Senility also.
Trauma in what sense?
When you say trauma,
Any injury.
Any injury.
Injury.
in
It
accident,
may be any blunt injury.
accident also.
Yes. In case of accident, if the injury is on the eyeball,
But, right.
yes. So if the injury is on the eyeball, there is a cause of
Old age.
old age. So there is a and certain systemic diseases like diabetes.
Arthritis also.
Can cortisone preparation result in
Rheumatoid arthritis
cataract?
also gives rise to this cat. No.
Cortisone therapy, does it give rise to
Yes,
cataract?
yes. Very good. So even drugs
Drugs.
like corticosteroids also can lead to,
On a long-term basis.
yes, especially orally. Orally when you take steroid,
Asthma and all.
orally when you take steroid,
Yes.
chances of cataract is high.
Okay.
When you put the eye drops, the chances of glaucoma is there. So orally, systemic is cataract. Now we are going to talk about what are the types of cataract. In certain cases, to start with acquired cataract, the opacity is very less. It's milky white. Half is clear, half is not clear. So that is known as immature cataract. Okay? So that is an immature cataract. When the whole lens becomes opaque, that is known as a mature
Mature.
cataract. Again, if only the central part of the lens is opaque, that is known as a central cataract or nuclear cataract. Because in the center there is a nucleus. If I want to tell you about little bit about the lens, what are the different parts of the lens? This and this is known as a capsule. Anterior capsule and posterior capsule. Then just behind the capsule there is a cortex. Cortex. C-O-R-T-E-X. Cortex. And in the center, little harder area, and that is nucleus.
What is the function of cortex?
It is all the part of a lens, not a particular function. It's a part of the lens by which we can divide the type of cataract. If it is in the center, it is known as a nuclear cataract. If the cataract is here in this area and the central part of the lens is clear, that is known as a cortical cataract or a peripheral cataract. Cortical or peripheral cataract. Usually, the central nuclear cataract is also known as a hard cataract, and the cortical cataract is also known as a soft cataract.
Okay.
Because cortex is soft and the nucleus is hard. That's the reason. So hard and soft. For the hard cataract, the maturity of the cataract takes for a longer time, and the cortical will be matured faster. Okay? So these are the difference between the types of cataract.
Is there any such thing as a black cataract or something?
Grey.
Even nuclear cataract is known as a brown cataract or a black cataract, because
And
the
grey?
color of the lens, the
Grey
color of the
also?
nucleus.
Grey.
That's the first grey color, then brown color, then black color. So in the center you will see greyish area,
That is usually for central.
usually center, and the cortical is always white.
Always.
Cortical is white. So greyish, brownish,
Or black?
and blackish. Black is known as cataracta nigra, and brown is known as a cataracta brunescens.
Cataract.
Especially name is there. Cataracta nigra,
Niagara is black.
brunescens,
Unique. Brunescens.
brunescens. So this is regarding the types of cataract. Now you should know, suppose a patient has got a cataract, and what are the different symptoms the patient can get. What are the different symptoms?
First
the
will be
patient
blurry.
Yes.
Haziness in the eyes.
Yes.
So blurring is there, blurring of the vision.
Haziness.
Again, blurring of the vision in this case, what happens? Suppose the patient has got a central cataract. Central cataract. So what happens? Suppose there is a pupil. Central में cataract है, periphery clear है. This central cataract patient will, what will happen? When the light falls on the eye, patient vision is much reduced again. Why? Because when the light falls on the eye, the pupil which is little bigger becomes smaller.
Smaller.
So whatever periphery clear था वो भी vision goes away.
Okay.
You understood this?
Get it.
Central cataract, periphery clear है, patient can see. But suppose the light falls on the eye, opposite side से light आ रहा है, the pupil constricts. Pupil which is there,
Yeah.
ये constrict हो जाता है, small हो जाता है. So periphery will go. Only central part will remain. So blurring of the vision, especially when the light falls on the eye, central cataract.
Does that situation call for emergency operation? Does that situation of constriction, does it call for emergency?
No, it depends upon the individual. What is the job of the patient? All that depends, But nowadays what happens, a little cataract is there,
They
and
immediately say.
they will not even do any refraction. They will not, make the patient wearing glasses and try and see, whether the vision is getting improved or not. And they will tell you, yes, you got a cataract.
Right away surgery.
Right away, urgent, emergency.
That's what we are, confused. And we don't know at what is the right time to do the
Very
operation.
true. This is a big problem nowadays happening. Because if you have got a good vision, why you want to go for the surgery?
For better
You have a good vision,
Yeah.
you should not go for the surgery. It depends upon your job.
Job.
If your job is such where small letters or small things are supposed to be seen, in those cases, yes, you should go for the surgery.
But
In certain cases.
over a period of time, and the body also decays. So it is always better, safer to go for surgery when you are in good health. I personally feel that.
Yeah, there are so many factors. Many factors are there which we can tell. Depends upon the individual.
Earlier they used to wait for it to mature.
See, if
Now
you
they
are not
don't
going to
wait,
give
right?
classes and tell the patient, fine now, it will be like this, then patient doesn't want to be like that. With the glasses, if your vision is getting improved, then I think you wear the glasses
Wear
and
the
have
glasses.
a good vision and then wait for the surgery. So it all depends upon the individual. Some person doesn't want to wear the glasses, so they can go for the surgery. It's like that.
No, but is there any harm? What I mean, if you
No.
delay it, because sometimes doctor says that hard हो जाएगा, then it is
First
difficult to
surgery.
remove.
First
and something.
So in this
हाँ.
cases क्या होता है कि especially in case of a central nuclear cataract,
हाँ.
they are hard cataract.
Yeah.
They are hard cataract. See, even if we have to wait, we are not going to wait for a long, long time,
Correct.
where your vision is going to fall and then you will go for the surgery.
Right.
You can always just go for a checkup every 6 months and then go for the surgery afterwards.
But
So in a hard cataract, what happens? Nowadays the technique of surgery is phacoemulsification.
Phaco.
So in case of phacoemulsification, what happens? The nucleus which is there, they break it
Right.
and then aspirate it.
Uh-huh.
So to break that nucleus, it becomes difficult.
Okay.
If
So
it
when
is
you are
hard.
breaking it,
Ah.
it may touch the cornea. It may touch the cornea and damage.
If it is hard.
So
That is the reason.
So that's why
If it
different-
is soft, I think you
The
can
soft
wait.
if it is no problem.
No problem. If your
the
vision is
problem will
good,
be mainly the hard cataract.
Hard.
What, how
especially
individual,
hard cataract.
how
Nuclear
individual
cataract.
can understand, doctor can understand by checking.
Individually you can't.
No, if
Patient cannot.
patient can see everything, do normal work, then there is no, that is not the hard one.
Nee, patient will not come to know whether it is hard
No,
or
what I
soft.
mean, patient can do reading everything clearly, slightly blurry or something. Then for that is whether he can understand it is hard or not.
No.
Why should he understand?
But normally the doctor will write, it is central cataract or it is peripheral cataract.
Normally लिखते हैं, लेकिन depends upon the doctor.
वो
So
नहीं लिखते हैं तो
I
patient
need
should
to
not
be
know.
careful if it is a central cataract. I might take it a little easy if it is a peripheral cataract.
Yes.
So it
Yes.
And this cataract, I might live with the cataract even 10, 15 years or even more.
Yeah. Because hard cataract takes time for maturity. So many people can wait for 5 years, 10 years also.
And,
If your vision is good, you can wait.
and my
That's what I wanted. If
before
vision is
operation-
good, then what to do?
You can wait.
Even if it is centered.
Yeah. You can wait.
Because in my case they have written brown, grey.
Grey is the
color,
central.
but I don't know whether it is peripheral or central.
Central.
I have to ask.
Yeah, grey लिखा है तो central.
Central.
Actually, I had hazy vision. Okay, and when I should drive the car, in the night, I feel the other guy is coming close by, so I had to go for an operation.
Yours must be, I think, central nuclear
And
cataract.
this is the left eye only.
Huh.
Okay, not the right. Right eye was perfect. So left eye, I was operated by Dr. Dicky Dastu,
अच्छा.
Holy Family Hospital.
Hmm.
I'm perfectly all right now, except I feel the light
Yeah.
very
More of light goes
more of
inside
light,
that.
which is troubling me a little bit.
That only for a short time.
I'm
It will
worried.
go away.
Afterwards you'll get
Over a
used to
period of
it.
time it will go
Today
away.
is what
Afterwards-
I am now, what is today date? 18, is it?
Yes.
18 plus 28 days.
Almost.
You'll get
1
used
month.
to it. You'll get used to it.
Yeah, but
Suddenly after surgery also you will see all the colors bright. Red, absolutely bright
and I was
red,
told,
bright green.
you will
All
get,
colors bright you
I
will
was
see. And then
told-
slowly you'll get adjusted, your mind gets adjusted, your brain gets adjusted
I
with
was
these
told
colors.
that, you said up till now you've been in dark regime. Now you are in God's light. So I mean,
Yeah.
actually I had a very good people who operated on me. Okay. Reasonable. Unlike what Leelavati charges somewhere about
Very costly.
57 to 60.
नहीं.
No, see, I'll tell you. It all depends upon what type of lens you're putting.
Now I had
Whether
some,
you want to put unifocal or you want to put
Bifocal.
multifocal,
no, mine was
or
very
toric, and all different types of
No, I
lenses.
had
are
no
there.
other choice, but he said, I mean, this Dicky Dastu's father used to be one of the biggest eye operation guy, and this guy has been there for long. And he said, this is the lens I've got, I take the guarantee for it. And this is the price for it, which is about 5,000 rupees,
Very reasonable.
and 15,600 rupees for the hospital. I didn't have to pay anything except the medicines I had to buy and all that. So it would have costed me about 27,000 rupees.
Yeah,
As
because
ag- as
different
against-
companies making different lenses.
I mean,
where the cost is different. Like you go to a Raymond shop and buy a shirt, and you go to some
Yeah,
other
sure.
shop buy a shirt.
So,
No, but then it is a
But
patient
personally-
choice.
No, no,
How
no.
patient
And
is
imported
confused.
lenses are always.
now this is the
better.
United States. We have
Uh.
absolutely given all these certificates
I
and
know.
everything.
Yeah.
And he said, look, this is the way I operate. Would you want it or don't want it? I mean, whereas my couple of friends went to Lilavati, and they paid somewhere between 67 to 80,000.
Sky's the
So
limit.
60 to 70,000 must be mostly for a multifocal. Multifocal lenses means the lens which can give you vision for distance
As well
and
as
for
near.
near.
And but really the whole market is flooded with doctors who's making a packet of
The
it.
patient doesn't know. I mean, we are confused what to take.
Like for example,
The cost of the lens is much.
Much higher.
Like for example, multifocal
Now
cost
they
is about.
manufactured in Baroda.
Huh.
The lens is 700 to 800 rupees.
That's Indian.
It's a very good lens.
These are
It is
Indian.
as good as
See, in government hospitals we put all Indian lenses.
700 rupees, 800 rupees.
Also very good, patients are all happy.
why
Have
in
very good
Bangalore or
vision.
the Natura Light,
So it's only
Natural day, yes.
Natura is supposed to be offering very good services for people who can't afford.
Especially poor people.
Where is this Netra?
Bangalore.
Bangalore.
Bangalore, Madras.
Yeah, there.
Chennai.
South
Chennai
में
also.
तो-
Yes,
yeah,
Shankar
yeah.
Netra.
हाँ,
Shankar
Shankar
Netra.
Netra, yeah.
Supposed to be very,
Yeah,
very.
yeah.
I mean, they're doing M1 service actually.
Yes, for the
The
poor people.
ophthalmologist can do a really good job of doing seva.
Actually, this doctor, what I had a slight BP. So he said, I won't operate it. Go and check your retina with.
Sometimes patient will complain that there are multiple spots are seen. For example, one light, many lights are seen. Why? Because in a cataract, what happens? Suppose a part of the lens is immature, part of the lens is mature. So the refractive index of that particular
Different.
is different in different area. So one light, if the patient is seeing, he will see multiple lights. So the multiple images are seen. That is one of the symptoms.
Is it the same
That
as
is double
floaters?
image or something like that.
Is it
हाँ,
the
काफी लोग depends. Some people will tell you double दिखता है, कोई बोलेगा बहुत सारा दिखता है, you know, something like
Is
that.
it the same as floaters?
No,
Floaters are
floaters are different. Floaters में क्या होता है कि patient will tell you I can see some black thing and which is like that floating.
Floating in the
And when
oil.
I move my eye again, it is like that going in this side, but again like that floating. That is
waves.
common, I think. Many
Floating.
patients will see that. Intelligent people will see more. So it's like that. So this is regarding the blurring of the vision and regarding the multiple images. And some patients will say that I cannot see distance, some patients will say I cannot see near. That depends upon the refractive index of the lens. Depends upon whether it's a cortical cataract or a nuclear cataract. Usually nuclear cataract will tell you reduced vision for distance and cortical cataract will tell you reduced vision for near. That is change of refractive index visible. So this is regarding your symptoms. Now what are the signs? Signs means when doctor sees what he sees. So when doctor sees naturally in the center of the pupil which is there in the center, he will not see black. Normally black he will see because it's transparent. But instead of that he will see greyish white color. So depends upon the maturity, he will see either a much white or it will be greyish white. So this is only a part of the lens is seen, but you have to dilate the pupil and see properly where the cataract is. Yeah. So you have to dilate the pupil, big pupil, so you will see exactly the cataract which is there under the slit lamp examination. One machine known as a slit lamp will tell you whether it's a central cataract or it is a peripheral cataract or only a posterior capsular cataract. This is also quite common. Posterior capsular cataract is quite common. Where patient will say, but I can see, but a little blurring is there. So when you see just with a torch, you will say everything is fine, but you have to dilate and then see, because then only you will see the posterior capsule where there is a cataract. Slit lamp examination only will tell you. Patient will say, I can see everything, but little blurred is there. So examination with dilated pupil is very important.
But in that case, the number will remain same or the number changes?
Number changes. Yes. Number changes, but still after changing of the number also patient will say, I'm not having good vision. Naturally that opaque is there, no? That can't go.
This capsule part is separate from the lens, no?
No, it's a part of the lens.
It's a part of the lens.
Yes, I showed you, no, that
Yeah.
diagram, anterior capsule, posterior capsule, cortex and nucleus. So it is a part of the lens.
So that posteriorly it is getting affected.
Opaque.
So that is the reason it is called posterior
Capsular cataract.
capsular cataract.
Posterior capsular cataract. उसमें भी और एक cataract आता है where it is known as a posterior polar cataract, where only the posterior part, central part is affected, and this cataract cases you have to go little early. operation. Yeah. Because why? Because when we do phacoemulsification operation, sometimes the capsule which is there, it's very thin in this area, very thin. So when we do this nucleus cutting, that time what happens? This capsule is very thin. No, sometimes it breaks. So whole lens goes behind the eye, means
Oh.
inside the eye, पीछे, vitreous में चले जाता है. So this is very good. And
So what
postepolar
will you-
cataract is there.
what will
That
you
time
do?
always the retinal surgeon is always standby. Retinal surgeon को standby रखते हैं. Why? Because
If
if
it
the
goes behind.
nucleus falls
In charge.
behind, retinal surgeon will take over and then take out the lens from behind. So this part is postepolar
So
cataract.
that is posterior capsule का है, polar capsule.
Polar cataract, posterior polar cataract, where the capsule is very thin or sometimes it is absent in that area. So when we do the surgery, nucleus पीछे जाता है and then we have to take out. This
So
is
it is
complicated
very
surgery.
complicated.
हाँ. So this part, that's the reason you should always check with the ophthalmologist
हाँ, you should,
properly, dilatation
progressively,
करके,
yeah.
whatever doctor says, you have to of course follow. You can't say
Follow.
हाँ सब दिखता है, ऐसा नहीं.
नहीं,
You have to ask them exactly what is the vision, how much is
No,
getting
because
reduced.
a doctor told me your vision over a period of time may improve.
हाँ,
I mean, initially when
Achha.
he examined,
Huh.
and after 1 year he said,
हाँ.
your vision is normal. Whatever we
Hmm.
have checked at that time, there is no deterioration.
Then fine.
Still, I can with this
You
spec
can
and all,
see
I
everything
read,
for
do
distance
everything.
and here. No problem. You wait. Only follow-up is important.
Yeah, that's it.
Follow-up is important. So when the doctor says he is going to see all this thing, then retinal examination, other things like pressure checking, everything is to be done. And then if operation is required, then you are supposed to calculate the lens implant number, what lens we are supposed to put inside the eye. And the surgery which is done, pehle, many years before, the lens implant was not
Was
there.
not there. Yes.
Our grandmothers and all, you
Yeah.
must have seen wearing thick glasses.
Thick glasses,
Yeah.
yes.
So
So that time lens implant
Lens.
was not there.
Yeah.
We used to just remove the cataract.
That's
And we used to remove whole cataract.
The cataract
Full
with,
cataract,
with the
capsule.
capsule. With the capsule.
Yeah. And that is the reason the name came, Moti Bindu. Because when you take out full lenses, and that time we used to operate only mature cataract.
yes.
Immature cataract we
Immature
never used to
नहीं.
touch.
Correct.
Only mature, white, pura. Whichever patient cannot see, that time we used to
हाँ,
operate.
at that time they were saying ये इतना तक नहीं दिखता है तब
हाँ,
तक जाओ
हाँ.
तो that
It was really bad actually.
Yeah.
But what to do? The technique was different.
technique was
I remember.
And sutures also, very big sutures,
Ah,
thick sutures were
correct.
taken, but there's no way.
There's one
The
doctor,
day by day,
Modi, Dr. Modi, ophthalmic.
the day is come where we are going to put the IOL. तुम्हारा क्या इसका क्या हो गया पेन को हवा लगता है now the new technique which is there phacoemulsification in that suppose this is a cataract what happens what we do the anterior capsule is taken out part of it
हाँ.
central round cut करने का and then the nucleus which is there
हाँ हाँ
hard that we take out with the one phacoemulsification probe
हाँ.
and then break all this nucleus
Okay.
and then aspirate it through this one.
And outer this thing will remain same.
No, that cortex which is there now
हाँ.
is aspirated because it is soft
Yeah.
and
Capsule
the posterior
remains.
capsule remains.
Capsule remains.
Capsule.
What is the size of
Posterior
the
capsule remains and it is very important otherwise lens where you are going to put
Achha, the lens has to fit into
Fit
the capsule.
somewhere, yes.
Inside
yes.
the bag.
Inside the bag.
so the lens implant we are going to put in the bag.
what is the size of the hole that you will?
So in this eye, suppose this is the eye. So in this case, suppose there is a cataract here. So incision made is very small, 2 millimeter incision. Only 2 millimeter.
1.5.
Pehle we used to cut from here to here.
The diameter of the
Many
lens
years
has
back.
to be there.
When
Actually,
because whole lens
Yeah,
have
because
to come out, no?
so the diameter of the lens.
Yeah.
So diameter of the lens. Whole lens had to come
He
out.
has to come out.
Yeah.
And now
We used to-
I
and then take sutures like that, like that, like that. Now no sutures. The incision is very small. Through the phaco, everything is done, and through same incision, through the syringe,
Folding
syringe,
foldable
Achha.
lens.
the lens is put in the syringe and it is put in.
Foldable lens.
Foldable lens.
15 minutes operation.
15 minutes of
Phaco means what?
But
phaco
Pounding.
is known as a
pounding.
lens. Phaco means lens. Phaco means lens.
Exactly.
So-
I want to ask you one more thing. Hardly.
Here, the lens, the shape is like this. Like this. Lens का shape जो होता है ना वैसा होता है. Where this is the optical part and this is just a loop so that it will be here
अच्छा.
properly in the capsule.
It gets attached or something? Or
No, just lies there.
Lie-
Only lies.
Floating.
Because it is fixed. Because the shape and everything is same. The size and everything is
But then
same.
that as per the measurement they do.
Usually it is same for
Same.
everybody.
Same for
Around, See, always take little bigger. Because if you take smaller, it is a problem because then it will move.
अच्छा.
So bigger liya, so this is a foldable, no?
Okay.
That will get adjusted with the capsule bag. So this is regarding the implant. Now I'll show you just little video exactly
yeah.
phacoemulsification क्या होता है. You will come to know. Yes, we can start.